From the previous video, we discussed the quick actions before opening a message and how to analyze the sender of the message, the importance of the message, and also the quick options on the right on how to actually snooze, archive a message, and more. The next step, what we're going to do is to complete our setup process. I do not have many contacts, but we'll go through the step on learn how to use Gmail. When you click learn how to use Gmail, the help option will appear on the right, giving you a quick view on a glance on how to get started with using the Gmail account. Now, we went through some steps on how to look at the categories of your message from your inbox, and also what Google says is that your emails are automatically organized into tabs. We've covered that on the primary tab, the social, and the promotions. And also the most important thing is choosing your preferable theme. Choosing a theme allows you to customize Gmail, making it feel more like your home. Hence, if it looks better, it is easier on the eyes. The next option we've covered is finding your emails. Now, when you look at the email that is there, that comes as default as a trainer for you, welcoming you to your inbox, you can use the search options to quickly find your emails. To filter your results inside the search box, you click on the search options. Now, we're not going to go through that now. We have to open our new email, but as for reference, you can click the help button at the top for support, or go through the search at the top to look for any email in case you have thousands of emails. Let's go through the next setup phase, which is importing contacts and emails. Now, bear in mind that each and every step that you go through updates the state of the Gmail account. The current state for the setup progress is 45%, meaning we left with 55% to complete the whole setup of our mailbox. If you do not go through this setup to set up your Gmail account properly, in the future you might find that you missed a couple of things. Learning how to configure your Gmail properly will ensure that you use your mailbox properly. As an aside, many people would set up a Gmail account and go straight to reading emails without understanding the Gmail interface properly. And also another thing to bear in mind, which is more valuable to understand, is every aspect of Gmail that you understand improves your experience with the mailbox. Now, let's look at how to import the contacts and emails. Then we can mark this as done. Importing contacts requires you to sign in with another email account, and also it will require you to import contacts from a previous Gmail account that you had. So if you have two email accounts, you can import contacts from another Gmail account into your new Gmail account, so that you can have shared contacts in both your contacts and your contacts library. On the next video,